Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on your favorite channel, Make Money Online. Today, we're going to thoroughly talk about the new and emerging Nio Stock. Do you know about Cathie Wood? Well, way back in 2014, she was able to identify the potential of EV or electric vehicle companies and invested in Tesla stock. Since then, it's become the holy grail of the stock market. In this video, we're going to argue how Nio is heading towards a similar trajectory. If you're planning to buy or sell stocks, then stick to this video. We're going to explore why and how Nio Stock is on a total rampage. So if you're not sure which stock to buy right now, hang on a while because we'll make it easier for you and let you know exactly why we believe Nio Stock is best. To dive into complete Nio Stock analysis and to explore important Nio Stock news, watch this video. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. If we're going to talk about Tesla, it's indeed a giant out there. But what most people fail to notice is that it took Tesla years to build that dominant position in the market. Tesla was founded back in 2003, and now it's been almost 17 years. So whatever Tesla has achieved, it didn't happen overnight. There are 17 long years behind the position Tesla is in today. Now, if you compare it to Nio, a new, emerging, and hungry competitor founded only 6 years ago, it is very far along in the process than Tesla was 6 or 7 years ago. Nio Stock is getting a lot of attention in the stock market right now. Nio Stock analysis last week showed that it was the 4th most bought stock on Hargreaves Lansdown. Nio Stock news from the company is very encouraging as its share price is rising to 900% year to date. Many investors are deeming it the Tesla of China. But why should you invest in it? Well, we'll talk about the 3 major catalysts that are shaping the complete Nio stock market and will become the change makers for Nio in a couple of years. According to our prediction, Nio has more potential than Tesla stock. By outlining different key factors that not many investors are considering while diving into the stock market, we will make our point that Nio is certainly going to make you rich. First catalyst, record-breaking demand. So the first major catalyst here is the record-breaking demand for electric vehicles, and with it their brand new capability to scale enormously. You will see that just in a few weeks, there will be reports of earnings. And considering the fact that automotive industries share their delivery numbers beforehand, it's certain that Nio Stock will be shattering revenue prospects for this quarter, because undoubtedly, they are rolling 3-digit growth both cumulative and monthly. This is the most shocking Nio Stock news you must have heard so far. According to our stock market prediction, Nio, with its continued growth, will set itself apart from all its competitors, even Tesla stock. This Shanghai-based company has quite some momentum with its Q3 deliveries, reaching up to 12,206, which is almost up 150% year-on-year. This year, we can expect that Nio will announce a high record gross margin because up until this year, their sales were not that impressive. They were losing money on every sale, but the key is, this year, Nio has taken a massive leap in the right direction. According to Nio Stock News, their gross margin this year is coming in at 10% on Q2 deliveries. CEO Li Bin has also hinted positively in various interviews that their margins are soaring. So there is a massive possibility that they have increased that number to 12 to 15%. According to what we know so far, there's also news that Nio will deliver around 40 to 45,000 vehicles in 2020. They also plan to increase that number up to 150,000 vehicles by the end of 2021 and 300,000 by the end of 2022. Analysts believe that the company will be immensely profitable by 2023, which is no doubt impressive considering the fact that it took Tesla 14 years to become profitable. Second catalyst, customer service. The demand for Nio cars has been surging because they have converted their cars into a lifestyle brand of sorts. This has risen their customer referral rate to 62% in the first half of 2020, beating some of the most giant brands such as BMW and even Tesla. Statistics show that people who buy Nio cars end up adoring them. To gain such a high customer referral rate for a brand this young is impressive. Not only that, to maintain and build that relationship with their customers, Nio is offering them a plethora of premium facilities such as Nio House, which is an underground cafe open only to Nio customers and their friends. And we predict more surging demand in the future because Nio has now launched the battery as a service plan. through which customers will be able to purchase a car without the battery itself. We all know that the battery is the most expensive part of the car, and this way, customers will be able to get an upfront cost reduction of almost $10,000. This way, not only will Nio undercut most of its competitors in the future, but will cause customer demand to surge. Third catalyst: unfair advantage over Tesla in China. It's a self-explanatory and built-in fact that China's electric vehicle market is about 4 times that of the US. And that gives Nio stock an unfair advantage over Tesla stock. As per stock market analysis, China wants 25% of their vehicles to be electric. And according to our prediction, that percentage is bound to soar up to 70% by the year 2035. Nio, right now, is in the perfect position to capitalize on its growth and exceed the Tesla stock. And let's not forget that when Nio was almost on the verge of bankruptcy, the Chinese government bailed them out with a massive investment of 24% stake in the company. So there's no way China is letting Nio fail now that they have stakes in the company. That's it for today, guys. I hope you found the video informative. Give us a thumbs up and don't hesitate to tell us in the comments section below if we've missed something. See you soon!